Yeah. Huh? Are you in this army or what, man? Are you a soldier? Are you a soldier?
Bounce.
Let's go.
Bounce with me, 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 bounce with me. Here I am with my soldiers, standing on the front line, shoulder to shoulder, showing our JG's best supporters. And if you wanna be blessed, follow his orders. Jesus, he's commander-in-chief, finna come back in a dark night like a thief. Stand at attention, squash on a beat, fall here for the same cool steam to your feet. I got all my weapons, I got sufficient protection. I don't need any correction, cause I'm here by divine selection. I'm about to go to the battlefield right now, beat up demons all around, lift them, then drop them to the ground. In the face of evil, we shut them down.